Welcome back to Carillon Videos. Today I would like to talk about Carillon's drill down functionality. You don't need to print out reports and look at the archives for references to find a certain transactions. You're just a few clicks away. And to show you an example of that, I thought that accounts payable would be a perfect example. So we'll go to Inquire, down to Drill Downs, Accounts Payable Drill Down. In here you have options to drill down by check, by invoice, or by vendor. I usually use by vendor. So let's choose that. And here I can either type in the vendor ID, or if I don't remember it from the top of my head, like I don't really right now, just double click on the yellow field to bring up a pop-up and choose your vendor. So they are asking about an invoice that you can't really see, but maybe you already paid it. By default, it only displays unpaid invoices. Here you can check paid, unpaid, or all. So let's look at all invoices. Here you can see that they are asking for an invoice that in fact I already did pay. So let's go with this one. See that this is a voucher number. This is my number, 100234, and I can drill down on that to see more detail. I see that item ID is B102, the quantity, unit price, and the total invoice. Also, I can see the invoice date, period, year, if it's been approved. So the detail about payment you can find here, that I paid $10 instead of $110. You can also see that there is a memo amount for negative $100, and you can drill down on that memo. You see that memo number right here, and drill down on here to see more detail. You see the quantity, unit price, item ID, invoice amount, and then go back and you can see that the payment is $10, and you can drill down over here and tell them how you paid it. You paid it by this check number, and the check date is May 24th, 2011, and that's probably why they haven't gotten the payment yet. Once they receive it and I get my bank statement, I can reconcile and bank reconciliation and show that it's been cleared from the statement clear date. I can also see that this check could have paid other invoices, and you can drill down by check over here. In here you see that other invoices have been paid, not just that one, and then here's a total for the check. And here you can also drill down on other invoices, so you can see a lot more detail in here. The items, the invoice number, invoice date, amount for invoice. It's very useful, especially when you're put on the spot. So this is accounts payable, and other important drill downs to mention would be accounts receivable, which works very similar to accounts payable drill down, except it's the other way around. You're asking the customers for their payments, and you can drill down by invoices or ship to, customer ID, and check. Other important drill downs is general ledger drill down. This window allows you to view period balance and cumulative balance for each period and year you set up in the system, and all you have to do is enter account number. Inventory drill down, you can track down inventory received and shipped by bin, location, lot, and serial number. Job cost drill down, you can drill down to look at the budget and cost incurred by these following options. Payroll drill down will let you drill down by a single employee, and I'll bring up one as an example really quick. You can see that here are all the pay period ending dates and how much they get paid, and here you can drill down on a total pay in the pay period in how they got that amount, is how many hours they worked, or if it's salary, it would be just one amount in the dates they worked and how many hours they put in. And total tax deducted, you can drill down on that as well. So we can drill down how much tax taken out per each transaction every time they would clock in if they're hourly. Total deductions, you can drill down on the deductions that have been taken out. And total net pay, and see if it has been paid or not. So this is payroll been posted but haven't been cut a check yet. Here we can see that it's been dispersed, check number, amount, and other detail. So it looks like it's been paid by check because there is no direct deposit information. So it's a drill down by employee is very useful for anyone who works in HR, and knowing that everyone is sensitive with their paycheck, it comes in very handy. So drill downs provide us with a capability to view detailed information without a hassle. This concludes our tutorial for today, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to make sure you get the latest videos about Carillon. Bye!